In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the subscribe and save dashboard on Amazon. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the retail website by entering its domain name in the address bar. As you load the website, take a moment to appreciate how well organized the homepage is, with readily accessible tools and links that enable you to manage your shopping and subscriptions easily. Once you are on the homepage, shift your attention to the top right corner, where you will locate the section labeled with your account information. This section is commonly titled Account and Lists, and it provides access not only to order history but also various other account features. Move your cursor to this area and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that contains several options tailored to your account management needs. After clicking on Account and Lists, a menu will appear displaying a variety of choices. Among these options, look for the one that indicates memberships and subscriptions. This particular option is the gateway to managing any ongoing service subscriptions and memberships you might have signed up for. Click on Memberships and Subscriptions to continue the process. Here you are provided with both a quick summary of your current subscriptions, along with links for further actions. The next step involves choosing Subscribe and Save from the list that has been displayed on your screen. This option specifically allows you to manage scheduled deliveries and recurring purchases. It provides an overview of items you are subscribed to and enables adjustments to order frequency, quantity, and delivery dates. Simply click on Subscribe and Save to move into the corresponding section of the website dedicated to these recurring orders. Upon reaching the Subscribe and Save section, you will find another clearly labelled link for shopping at the Subscribe and Save store. This is the final step in accessing the desired area of your account. Clicking on Shop the Subscribe and Save store will take you to a dedicated part of the website that not only presents all your ongoing subscribe and save orders, but may also offer special deals and a broader selection of products available under this service. This section is designed with user convenience in mind so that you can easily review or modify any items you have scheduled to be delivered on a repeating basis. Throughout this tutorial, every action is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. The entire process has been broken down into clear, manageable steps to ensure an easy transition from one page to the next. By following these instructions, you now have the knowledge to navigate through your account settings and access your subscriptions on the retail website with ease. Enjoy the benefits of streamlined online shopping management and the convenience of scheduled deliveries through Subscribe and Save.